What's up, guys? My name is Omari. I've been working with a Leon for almost 8 months now. Yeah. If you guys looking to get into Amazon FBA or any type of online e-com, the best coach I would recommend you to reach out to is absolutely Leon. Cause I've been knowing Leon for almost a year, and I've been working with him for like 8 months now. So, from my personal experience, I can say he has been a great, amazing for me, and definitely I will recommend you guys to reach out to him, because like he will get you right. Cause personal, he will get you right. I've been trying different mentors, different coach, online gurus. Look, man, don't try to waste your time on them, bro. Cause the difference between them and him, like he will like guide you step by step, like from starting to finish. The point that you can actually do by yourself. Even there, if you do it by yourself, it's still gonna reach out to you any update to check up on you, see what's going on with you. It doesn't matter if you can do it by yourself, but he's still gonna give you a call to check up on you to see what's going on. Like he just wants you to see the best in you. That's all he wants from you. And I would definitely recommend you guys if you're looking to get into Amazon FBA or any type of income. Give him a call. Yeah, that was the best I would recommend to you guys. Thank you. And thank you so much, my brother Leon. Appreciate it for your time.